In this video, you will learn how to create borders around your picture using Photoshop. Open the image in Photoshop. Go to Image, Canvas Size. Embed the size of the border you want. Say for example, I input 10 pixel width and 10 pixel height. I choose color of the border. In this case, I am choosing black color. And then hit OK. Again go to the image, canvas size, and this time instead of pixels, select inches and then input width and height as 5 each. Select the color of your choice. I am selecting white in this case. You can input any size of border and you can choose any color of your choice for the border. Then I go to the action panel where I have a ready-made action preloaded by Photoshop. I select wood frame and hit a play button. Action will now play and I get this beautiful border. If you are satisfied with the result, then you can flatten and save this image. But in this case, I want the border to be a blackish grey instead of brown. So I select Paint Bucket tool from the left panel. Select the foreground color using color picker. Before I can use a Paint Bucket tool, I need to flatten the image. So I go to the Layers adjustment and then hit on the flatten image. Now all the layers are merged and I can use a paint bucket. Select the area where you want to paint and then click left on the mouse. Border is created and image is ready to be exported. Hope you got some value in this video. If so, please like the video and subscribe to this channel.